If you've watched the previous videos in this series, you already know how to create blog posts using ChatGPT. But there's one big question left. How do you actually find people who will pay you for this skill? Because the truth is, knowing how to write is not enough. If you don't have clients, you don't have a business. In this video, I'll show you simple and practical ways to find clients, even if you're just starting and don't have experience yet. These are methods you can start using immediately. One of the easiest places to start finding clients is freelance platforms like Fiverr. Fiverr already has people who are actively looking for writing services, which makes it a good starting point for beginners. On Fiverr, clients search for services instead of you searching for them. This means your job is to create a gig that clearly shows what you offer and how you can help them. The more clear and specific your gig is, the higher your chances of getting clicks and orders. Take a look at how other sellers present their services. Notice the titles they use, the thumbnails, and the way they describe their offers. This gives you an idea of what clients are already buying. Instead of copying others, you want to position yourself clearly. For example, instead of saying "I will write blog posts," you can say "I will write SEO blog posts using AI tools for fast delivery." This makes your offer stand out more. One thing that can make a big difference on Fiverr is how you present your gig visually. Many clients decide whether to click your service just by looking at the title and the thumbnail image. So it's important to make your title very clear and easy to understand. Avoid using complicated words, and focus on what the client is looking for. You should also look at how top sellers describe their services. Notice how they explain what the client will get, how fast the delivery is, and what makes their service different. This helps you understand what is already working in the market. Another important tip is to start simple. You don't need to create many packages at the beginning. Just focus on one clear service and deliver it well. As you gain experience, you can improve your gig and increase your pricing. Another powerful place to find clients is Facebook. Many people overlook this, but Facebook has thousands of groups where business owners and content creators are looking for help. Go to search bar, type blogging group or freelance writing. Press enter. When you join these groups, don't start by spamming your service immediately. That approach usually gets ignored or removed. Instead, spend some time observing what people are asking for. You will often see posts like "I need a blog writer" or "looking for content for my website." These are opportunities. You can respond to these posts or send a polite message offering your help. The key here is to be helpful and direct. Keep your message simple and show how you can solve their problem. When you respond to posts in these groups, your message should be short and direct. Avoid writing long paragraphs or sounding too formal. A simple message works better. For example, you can say something like this: "Hi, I can help you write SEO blog posts for your website. I use AI tools and manual editing to deliver clean and structured content. Let me know if you're interested." This kind of message is clear and easy to read. It shows what you offer without overwhelming the person. Another tip is to stay active in the group. The more you engage with posts, the more visible you become. Over time, people may even start reaching out to you directly. Another effective method is reaching out to potential clients directly. This means finding websites, blogs, or small businesses that may need content and offering your service to them. When you visit a website, check if they have a blog section. If they are already publishing content, there is a chance they may need help creating more articles. Look for a contact page or email address. Then you can send a short message introducing yourself and explaining how you can help them create blog content more efficiently. The goal is not to send long messages, but to be clear and professional. Even if only a few people respond, you only need one client to get started. When sending a message through email or a contact form, keep it simple and professional. You don't need to write a long introduction. Just go straight to the point and explain how you can help. A simple message could look like this: "Hello, I came across your website and noticed your blog section. I can help you create well-structured SEO blog posts to keep your content consistent. Let me know if you'd like to see samples." This approach works because it is respectful and focused. You are not forcing your service on them, but offering help based on what they already have. Also, don't expect every message to get a reply. The goal is to reach out consistently. Even if only a few people respond, that is enough to get your first client. Now that you know where to find clients, the next step is presenting your offer in a simple and clear way. One thing that makes a big difference is how clearly you present your offer. Many beginners try to say too many things at once, which can confuse potential clients. Instead, focus on one clear promise and keep it simple. For example, instead of listing many services, you can structure your offer in a simple way. Start with what you are delivering, then mention how you deliver it, and finally add the benefit to the client. I will write a well-structured SEO blog post, using AI tools and manual editing, to help improve your website content. This format is easy to understand and focuses on value. Another useful tip is to make your offer feel reliable. You can do this by mentioning things like clear formatting, readability, and fast delivery. These small details help build trust, especially when you are just starting. You can also start with a simple pricing approach. Don't overthink it at the beginning. Choose a reasonable price. Deliver good work, and then improve your pricing as you gain experience. The goal here is not to be perfect, but to be clear and consistent. A simple and well-presented offer can attract clients faster than a complicated one. So in this video, we covered how to find clients using platforms like Fiverr, Facebook, and direct outreach. These are simple methods you can start using immediately. If you've been following this series, you now have the full foundation. You know how to set up the service, create the blog content, and find clients. The next step is learning how to deliver your work faster and improve your results so you can get better clients and higher pay. If you found this helpful, make sure you stay consistent with the series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.